How to fix RBC Bank's login problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your RBC Bank's login problem. So sometimes if you're not being able to log into your RBC account, it may be due to various different reasons. So in this video, we'll go through the most common reasons and how you can fix them. So the first and foremost thing you got to make sure is you have a stable internet connection. Now, as RBC Bank app is an application that requires a stable internet connection to work, make sure you either have a stable Wi-Fi connection or a mobile data connection. Now, the second thing you can do is basically make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Now, if your app is not updated to the latest version, some of the features and fixes will not work, causing your login problem. So make sure you have your app updated to the latest version. Now, the third thing you can do is basically close the app and simply relaunch it altogether. You can also try to clear the cache memory if you are using an Android device, or you can simply restart your phone. Now, doing this will fix the problem in most of the cases, but if your problem is still there, another thing you got to make sure is that you are using your correct client card or username and your correct password. Now, even if you enter one of these two different things wrong, you will not be able to log in, which may be the reason of your problem. So if you do not remember your client card or username or your password, you can simply reset it by tapping these options right over here and then try to re-log in using your new correct credentials. Now, the third thing you can do is basically uninstall the RBC app altogether and then simply try to reinstall it. Doing these steps will fix your problem in most of the cases. And if your problem is still there, simply call this number over here and they will help you with the problem further. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.